Hi everybody, I'm Lorie from D's, and there sure is a lot of buzz about bees this year. So if you're a bee lover, this one is beautiful. This is going to be so fun and easy to make, and of course, as always, everything that you need is going to be available in your kit. We have this adorable hive. It's actually made up of foam, so it's nice and lightweight. This adorable bee here. We have a cute little sunflower flower pick that has, of course, that mix of greens that I love. Your ribbons, some greening pins, and some wire. So let's get started. So we're going to remove our tags from our beehive here. All right, so as you can see, these little beehives have some cute little pip berries that are streaming out from it, and you can arrange those around however you would like. So what we're going to do is just trim off some of our stem here on our sunflower pick and kind of fluff it up. You can see that pretty grass is in there. I just love these mixed picks. Now, because this is foam, we are simply going to take our stem and push it right into the side. Now, once I get it positioned kind of where I like it, then I'm going to go back, pull it out, put a little bit of glue on my stem so that it doesn't pull out easily. And we're just going to pop it right back in that hole that we made. Now, because of the weight of these flowers, and I want to make sure it stays up kind of close, I've included these little greening pins for you. These are little U-shaped floral pins. And all we're going to do is put a little glue on the end of our stem of our pin. And I went in and I'm just going to catch this and poke it right into my hive to kind of help keep those greeneries up and stable. Really quick and easy. Next, we're going to take our ribbon. We'll start with our black and white check. And we're just going to make one loop on this. And then have our tails. And we're going to add this ribbon. I love this ribbon because it mimics the little bee flying around. So I think it's just so sweet. And of course, we're going to wire this off. Pull that nice and tight. And then we are going to trim our tails. We've also included a second greenery pin, and I'm going to use that to attach my ribbon. So I'm just going to dip that pin again in a little bit of glue and go right in here and insert that pin right into that hive again to attach my ribbon. And you can adjust your ribbon however you want. And how cute is that? And last but not least, our bead. So you can take this bead, this wire stem, and just wrap it around your fingers like so, just to kind of curl it up. I like the little curly motion, and then you can bend him any which way that you want once you put him in there. So we're going to trim this off just a little bit and put a little glue on the bottom of his stem. And then we're just going to poke him right into the top, wherever you would like. And how cute is that? Quick and easy. So have a beautiful day and check us out at shopdslouisville.com.